Elevate your work like never before with NeoFlow, the ultimate solution for transforming how your elevator business operates and scales. In today's fast-paced elevator industry, planning, precision, and dependability are key. NeoFlow supercharges your business by streamlining everything from new installations to maintenance schedules, ensuring safety, compliance, and efficiency. With NeoFlow, you can optimize workflows for new installations, providing real-time visibility to your teams and stakeholders, keeping everyone on top of the work. Streamline preventive maintenance with automated schedules, reducing downtime and missed deadlines. Stay ahead of issues before they arise. Improve emergency response times with seamless team communication, ensuring critical repairs are handled with speed and efficiency. Track your teams in real time with field operative tracking, optimizing resource allocation for better customer service. NeoFlow simplifies expense submissions and reimbursements, reducing administrative work and ensuring accurate record keeping. Create customized reports with ease, helping you gain powerful insights to improve team productivity, track performance, and drive business growth. NeoFlow is built to power your elevator business to new heights, streamline tasks, empower teams, and focus on what matters most. Discover the NeoFlow difference today.